Just this one time. 4 words. That's all it takes to stay broke forever. You know that feeling at the end of the month? Wallet empty, account drained, and you're sitting there thinking, how? How did this happen again? And then it hits you. That voice, that familiar, comfortable, lying voice inside your head whispers, don't worry, bus is ba. Just this once. Next month will be different. But it never is. And deep down, you already knew that. Here's something that will shake you. Researchers at Princeton University discovered that financial stress literally shrinks your decision-making ability. Being broke doesn't just empty your wallet, it hijacks your brain. It makes you short-sighted, impulsive, and desperate for relief, even if that relief only lasts one day. So when you say, just this one time, your brain isn't lying to you on purpose. It's drowning and it's grabbing anything it can to survive. Meet Daniel, 26 years old, smart guy, decent job, but every single month, same story. Just this once, I'll borrow from a friend. Just this once, I'll skip the savings. Just this once, I'll spend on this thing I don't need. 5 years of just this once later, he had nothing. No savings, no investments, no plan, just a very long list of one-time exceptions that somehow became his entire financial life. Sound familiar? Here's the psychological bomb nobody drops on you. Just this once is not a decision. It's a surrender. Every time you say it, you're not making a choice, you're avoiding one. And avoidance feels like relief in the moment, but it builds a prison around your future. There's even a name for this. Behavioral economists call it present bias. Your brain values today's comfort 100 times more than tomorrow's security. So the future version of you, the responsible, disciplined, wealthy version, gets sacrificed every single day for a version of comfort that doesn't even last till midnight. And the cruelest part, the more stressed you are about money, the worse this gets. It's a trap that tightens the harder you pull. So what actually breaks the cycle? Not a budget, not a spreadsheet, not deleting food delivery apps. It's an identity shift. You have to stop treating every bad financial decision like a one-time mistake and start asking one brutally honest question. Is this who I am? Because broke isn't a number in your bank account. Broke is a pattern of thinking you keep choosing, one just this once at a time. The moment you decide, truly decide that you are someone who does not compromise their future for temporary comfort, the voice changes. It stops saying just this once, and it starts saying not anymore. That shift, that's where real wealth begins. Not in the stock market, not in a side hustle, right there, in that one moment of identity. So the next time that voice shows up, and it will show up, look it dead in the eye and say, I know what you're doing, and I'm not falling for it today. Because just this once has already cost you enough. Share this with someone who needs to hear it right now. And if you want to understand the deeper money lies keeping you stuck, the ones you were taught before you even knew what money was, that video is coming next. And trust me, you do not want to miss it.